Hey YouTube, what's up? It is your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you all the details on how I got my hair to grow about 2 to 3 inches. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. Alright you all, so before I get further into this video, I just want to take a moment of silence, have a moment of silence for this ponytail on the top of my head. And the reason being is because, the reason being is because, you guys, 2 years ago, I could not do this hairstyle on my hair. My hair was not this long. It probably was 2 to 3 inches shorter than this, and it wasn't this healthy. Like, my hair right now is so full and so healthy right now, and I go into the details of what I did to achieve my current hair growth and hair health. I am going to insert some pictures, probably right here, somewhere in this video. I'm going to insert some pictures of what my hair looked like 2 years ago when I started my natural hair care journey. And you guys, I never really went through like an awkward stage just because I wore a lot of protective styles. So while I was going through my transition of being natural, nobody really knew what my hair looked like. I didn't even know what my hair looked like. But for the most part, when I started my natural hair journey, my hair was very heat damaged. You can see on my channel, I do love experimenting with hairstyles, but a part of the reason why I was so into that for a long time is just because I did not like my hair. But I mean, as y'all can see now, I'm just in love with it. Like, I really don't want to put a wig or anything back on. So the first thing, I am going to put a disclaimer because I am not a professional hairstylist. Yeah, I'm not a professional. This is just what I did to get my hair to look like this. So, you know, take your notes, but keep in mind that your hair is your hair, okay? What works for my hair and any of the other people that you go to look out for advice, what works for their hair and my hair is not gonna 100% work for your hair. But what I will say, the number one thing that I did in my hair care journey is finding out what works for my hair. You have to find out what works for your hair. Like, I cannot stress that enough, you guys. Like, your hair is a living thing. So, you know, it's gotta have nutrients, you gotta take care of it. And also another thing, like with your hair, once it gets used to something, sometimes it doesn't really work the same. So like, for example, like with a workout routine, you know, you can do the same workout routine, but after a while your body's gonna get used to it, and it's not really challenging your body to, you know, get better, stronger, and fitter. So the same thing with your hair care products. Like, you can find things that are like your staple products that work, but also, you know, kind of mix it up every now and again, because that's what's really going to get your hair to really flourish. And for me, that's what I had to do. I had products for a certain amount of time, for like a few weeks or a few months. Like, this is what I was using, and then I switched it up to something else. So I'm going to start with washing your hair. And something that like a girl in one of my classes recently just told me, which I thought was pretty amazing, and it's like I realized like a lot of people don't know this, but there is a proper way to wash your hair, and most people don't know that you are supposed to shampoo twice and condition once. For me personally, before I started my hair care journey, I shampooed my hair more than I conditioned it. I may conditioned like I would condition my hair when I washed my hair, but I didn't really deep condition. The only time I would get a deep condition is if I went to the hair salon. And far as shampoo, I would overly shampoo. Like, I would probably shampoo my hair 2 or 3 times, just because I did go through a stage where I had like that growing dandruff, so like my hair was very flaky. But now, like, I can say like I have never seen, ever since I made the transition and the steps that I've been doing, my hair has no dandruff at all whatsoever. So I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but it's a good thing for me, because I used to hate getting them dusty little flakes, and I was like, ooh, somebody gonna think I'm dusty, but I'm not dusty, you know, my hair just got a lot going on. But yeah, so definitely I do not have any dandruff no more, thank the Lord. Just for natural hair, and just for my hair personally, my hair loves moisture. So deep conditioning, I try to deep condition my hair probably twice a month, 2 to 3 times a month, just because my hair soaks up a lot of products. Like, it takes a lot of products for my hair to really be moisturized. So definitely deep condition deep condition 2 to 3 times a month. And then as far as shampooing for me, another thing that I had also come across when doing my research for natural hair is we shampoo our hair too often too. Like, shampooing is just really to clean your hair, and a lot of times shampooing strips a lot of the natural oils and necessities that your hair needs. So I try to only shampoo my hair twice a month, if that. I try to go longer depending on the hairstyle I have, just so that way my hair can really flourish and grow. But ew, it's weird. But right now, my current shampoo and condition treatments or whatever is the Garnier Whole Blends coconut water. I use the shampoo and the conditioner, and as you all can see, this shampoo says that it is silicone. Hold up, let me make sure I focus. It's silicone free. So when you're looking for products for natural hair, you need to make sure that they are silicone and alcohol free. Those things are bad for your hair. And I think I bought both of these for like $10 at Walmart, so go get you some. But yeah, smells amazing, and they have lots of scents and fragrances. Definitely be mindful of the ingredients that are in the products that you are using for your hair. Most of the time, my rule of thumb that I have for myself, if I can't pronounce it, then I'm not going to put it in my hair. I'm not going to eat it. I'm not going to put it on my skin. If I can't like research it and find something on it, then I'm not going to use it, just because, yeah, I'm not going to use it. So like I said, moisturizing is definitely key for natural hair. And now my favorite moisturizer is this, the BB oil moisturizer. But I like this moisturizer because it says it has castor oil and aloe vera or aloe. But anyways, y'all, this moisturizer smells amazing. And again, like whatever hairstyle that I have, I always moisturize my hair. Like, I try to moisturize my hair in the morning and at night. So just like when I brush my teeth in the morning and at night, I try to moisturize in the morning and at night. Okay, so this next product that I'm about to show y'all, I mean, if you don't have this product, you can kiss your natural hair goals goodbye. Okay, you can just kiss them goodbye, because that's not okay. I'm just playing, but no, seriously, this oil right here, wild growth hair oil. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I mean, it's a little bit on the pricey side, you know. It's $10, $12, $11 depending on where you get it from. But when I say this stuff is like crack for your hair, it's like crack for your hair. I'm sorry I'm comparing it to that, but like literally, y'all, when I started using this oil in particular, now don't get me wrong, any type of natural oils, castor oils, Jamaican black castor oils, olive oil, coconut oil, tea tree oil, those 4 oils I would suggest for any type of hair. Doesn't matter. But yeah, yes, this growth oil right here, it works wonders. Like, I recently just had braids in my hair, and I normally can have braids in my hair for probably 2 months without taking them out, but I had to take these braids out within a month. Like, it was not making it past a month, just because my hair had grown so much so fast. Like, I had to take it out. Like, my braids were like hanging. They was hanging like out here, and I had just put them in. So definitely get your hands on that oil. You need it. All right, y'all, so the next product that I'm going to talk about, I know y'all have seen plenty of times on my channel, but if you haven't, here it is. It is the Cream of Nature Milk Curl In Leave-In Repair. I think I said that all types of backwards, but it's basically a leave-in conditioner, but it also is a curl repairer. Yeah, a curl repairer, and it also has no sulfates in it or petroleum, which is also good for your natural hair. And of course, y'all already know, it smells good. Like, I love good things. I love things that smell good for your hair, and as y'all can see, like, it's almost gone. So it really does work really well. When I like to do twist outs, I use this product just because it really detangles my hair, but my hair doesn't feel dry at all. It feels very moisturized when I use this product, along with my moisturizer. 2 major hairstyles that helped my hair grow was braids and wigs. And another thing that I did while I was keeping my hair in the braids and in the wigs was maintaining my hair, which was moisturizing my scalp, oiling my scalp, also spraying water on my scalp because your hair does need water as well. So definitely getting into a routine of doing that every night and every morning, just oiling my scalp, using moisturizer, using water, and just massaging. When I say massaging, y'all, massaging your scalp definitely helps, because when you massage your scalp, you're getting those follicles, your what is it called, the blood circulation. Yeah, the blood is circulating on your follicles, and it's just helping your hair to grow. So definitely, you know, when you put your oil on your hair, don't just slap it up there, but, you know, massage it into your scalp. You know, it's also very therapeutic and it helps your hair grow. Thing that I do want to say too is love your hair at every stage. Something that I do that I'm still doing throughout my hair journey is just like taking pictures and taking videos of my hair as it's growing, just to like remind myself of where I've been at, where I'm at, and where I want to go. So definitely, you know, get to fall in love with your hair. You know, just like you want somebody to get to know you and take care of you and treat you right, you know, you got to treat your hair right. You treat your hair right, your hair is going to take care of you. I'm telling y'all, like, I couldn't do all of this 2 years ago. I definitely hope that this video worked for you. Definitely do not forget to write those tips down, and definitely check out those products. I will leave links down below to everything that I talked about today in this video. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay popping. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.